Hello everyone, I am Loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time I am exploring another hidden waterfall. The beauty of the village fascinates everyone, especially the minds of many who live in the city but fall in the desert on the way to the village. Anyone can see the beautiful green scenery of the village. The enchanting scenery of the village gives a lot of peace of mind. Everything in the brick and stone city is artificial, but the village full of shady and crooked flowing rivers and canals, the green fields are all natural. There are green crop fields all over the village. The south wind sways the crop, uncultivated green fields on both sides of the meandering river. Rows and rows of trees in the village, crooked path, crop field, ponds and ghats paved in the houses. If you look at everything, it will look like a picture painted with the artist's paint. Many waterfalls tucked deep in the countryside of Malnad and flanked by the gorgeous Bisley and Kaginahare forest on either side. This humble waterfall is a tiny bit of paradise that is as offbeat and hidden as it comes. A serene place for a proper wilderness experience. A good place to have fun with a calm atmosphere around. There is no parking facility here. You can park at your own risk. You need to have to walk a kilometer to reach the falls. Last 1 kilometer is complete off-roading because the roads are muddy with stones, very slippery during monsoon. Once you reach the falls, it's a beautiful sight. It's not a crowded place and hence a good place to hang out with friends or family. During monsoon season, the falls is at full flow and it's dangerous to get into the water. Also, the rocks were very slippery. During the rainy season, there will be leeches, so be prepared. A dirt trail, a short downhill trek, and a steep riverside boulder climb lead you to this waterfall. When the water levels are low, you can easily go right under the waterfall for a relaxing waterfall shower. But during the monsoon months, when the river is raging torrent, you can sit on the many boulders near the waterfall and let the waterfall mist soak you completely. This is the kind of place to go for a full detox session amidst pristine nature and let the deafening roar of waterfall stop the clutter in your head for a brief while. If you like rural holidays, hidden destination, offbeat trails, pristine natures and waterfalls, then this is your kind of place. A visit to Mukanamane Falls means packs water therapy, nature therapy, adventure and simply overindulgence of untouched nature. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.